Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some more types of related to partial fraction. In last video we have discussed three types. So look at four type: px square plus qx plus r. If numerator is in quadratic form or linear form or constant, and denominator is x minus a whole square into x minus b. This is cubic polynomial and whose factors are, one factor is in the square form, other is this. So we can write as a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a whole square plus c upon x minus b. Here square, so we can write firstly single and then square and then x minus b. So this type of question is question number 3 of exercise 7.5. Numerator is in linear form and denominator is x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. So we can make factors of these, we can make parts of these by using partial fraction. X upon x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 we can write as a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 1 whole square plus c upon x plus 2. It is in square, so firstly we will write single, then square and then x plus 2. So take LCM of this. LCM is x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2. Denominator is same, so we can cancel. X is equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. So we have to find out a, b, c by using these equal. So x is equal to a into x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1 whole square. So firstly we will take x is equal to 1 by making it 0 or this 0. अगर x की वैल्यू 1 पुट कर देते हैं तो ये 0 हो जाएगा. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1 by putting x is equal to 1 in equation second. So it is 1 a into 1 minus 1 plus into c 1 plus 2. It is b into 1 plus 2 plus c into 1 minus 1 whole square. So it is 0. It is also 0. So 0 into something 0. 0 square is 0. So it is also 0. We will get b here. B is equal to 1 by 3. Now one value is b. B value is 1 by 3. Now we will put x is equal to minus 2 on both sides. Here x minus 1 whole square x plus 2. अगर x की वैल्यू 1 लेते हैं then we can take x minus 1 को 0 बनाना है तो x को क्या लेंगे 1. x minus 1 whole square is 0, then x is also 1. Then again same x is equal to 1, तो हम a की वैल्यू ले सकते हैं. ऐसे ही x plus 2 we will take 0. Clear? So it is x is equal to minus 2. So by putting x is equal to minus 2 on both sides in equation second, minus 2 into a into this is second equation. Okay, so we will put x is equal to minus 2 on both sides. It is minus 2. a into minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 plus 2 it is 0. जहाँ जहाँ x plus 2 है वो 0 हो जाएगा, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. So c into minus 2 minus 1 whole square. It is minus 3 whole square. That means 9. 9c. This will be 0. This will be 0. Then we will get c here. It is 9c is equal to minus 2. c will be minus 2 by 9. By putting x is equal to minus 2 on both sides, we will get c. Then one value we have put x is equal to 1, other is minus 2. Clear? Here third value is also, अगर हम इसको 0 put करते हैं तो x की value 1 आएगी. Then we can put any value from our side. I am putting x is equal to 0. You can put 1, 2. You can 1 we have put also. Put here also. So you can put minus 1, 2 as you wish. So I am putting x is equal to 0 in equation second. So 0 is equal to a into 0 minus 1. At the place of x we will put 0 in this equation. 0 is equal to a into 0 minus 1. 0 plus 2. b into 0 plus 2 plus c into 0 minus 1 whole square. So we will get a into 0 minus 1. It is minus 1 plus into 2. Minus 1 into 2. It is 2a. Minus 1 into 2. It is 2a. Clear? So minus 2a. Plus b into 2, it is 2b plus c. c into minus 1 square is 1, so c. So minus 2a plus 2b plus c is equal to 0. Clear? And we know that the values of b and c here, b value is 1 by 3, c value is 2 by minus 2 by 9. We will put the values of these and then we will get a. we will get A. Look at this, minus 2A plus 2 into B value is 1 by 3 and C value is minus 2 by 9. By solving this, we can find A is equal to 2 by 9. Clear? A की वैल्यू आपके पास क्या आ जाएगी 2 by 9 and then we will put value of A, B and C in equations first. x upon x minus 1 whole square into x plus 2 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 by 9 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon 3 upon x minus 1 whole square minus 2 by 9 upon x plus 2. Then we will take integration of these 2 by 9 as it is. Log 1 upon x minus 1 integration is log of x minus 1 plus 1 upon 3 as it is. x minus 1 whole square को ऊपर ले जाएंगे, it will be minus 2. So what integration of this? x minus 1 power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 by 9 log of x plus 2 plus c. Then it is 2 by 9 log of x minus 1. It is 1 by 3. It is minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. And log of x minus 1 whole power minus 1. तो नीचे आ जाएगी it is x minus 1 power 1. And minus 2 by 9 log x plus 2. Look at first and third. 2 by 9 and here also 2 by 9. So we can take 2 by 9 common from these. It is log of x minus 1 minus of log x plus 2. And minus 1 by 3 x minus 1 we will take separate plus c. It is log m minus log n. So we can write log m upon n. Log m minus log n we can write log m upon n. So answer is 2 by 9 log x minus 1 upon x plus 2 minus 1 upon 3 x minus 1 plus c. So this type of question we can do by this way. Now come to next type. If numerator is in quadratic form and denominator is in this form, x minus a into quadratic form. This is quadratic. In last type, this is x minus a whole square, this form. But here x square plus bx plus c. Factors are not given. So here this is quadratic. Clear? अगर factors इसके factors नहीं बन सकते तो हम लिखेंगे इसको a upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon this quadratic. नीचे अगर क्वाड्रेटिक आएगी तो ऊपर क्या आएगी bx plus c, linear form. Clear? So we will do this type of question. So look at question number 13. 13 is 2 upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. Numerator is constant. Numerator can be constant, linear form or quadratic form. कुछ भी हो सकता है यहाँ पर. So 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. 2 upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. So we can write this as a upon 1 minus x plus bx plus c upon 1 plus x square. नीचे quadratic आएगी जिसके factors नहीं हो सकते. So bx plus c upon 1 plus x square. Take LCM. Then we will get a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. Denominator is same, then numerator will be same. So 2 is equal to a into 1 plus x square plus bx plus c into 1 minus x. Now we will find a, b and c in this. If I am putting this is equal to 0, अगर x square plus 1 को अगर हम 0 लेते हैं तो x square will be minus 1. It is not possible. So we cannot take value x square is equal to minus 1. So I am putting firstly x is equal to 1 by using this. I want to make it 0. So it will be x will be 1. 1 minus 1 it will be 0. So I am putting x is equal to 1 on both sides. So it is 2 a into 1 plus 1 square plus b into 1 plus c into 1 minus 1. So it is 0. 0 into something 0. Then we will get a value 2 1. 2a is equal to 2. So a value is 1. Clear? Now we can put values of x from our side क्योंकि अगर हम यहाँ से लेते हैं तो यहाँ x square को minus 1 नहीं put कर सकते and one value x is equal to 1 we have already taken. So I am putting x is equal to 0. We want to find out two values b and c. So I am putting firstly x is equal to 0 then x is equal to minus 1. So I am putting x is equal to 0 on both sides. 2 is equal to a into 1 plus 0 square 0. b into 0 plus c into 1 minus 0. So we will get 2 is equal to a into 1 plus 0 plus c. 0 plus c it is c into 1 So it is a plus c. We will get a plus c. A value is 1, c value will be 1. Clear? So c की value आपके पास क्या आ जाएगी? 1. Now putting x is equal to -1 in equation second also. You can put 2, 3, 4 as you wish. So I am putting x is equal to -1 in equation second. So by putting x is equal to 2 on both sides, left hand side is already 2. X is equal to -1 on both sides. So left hand side is 2. Right hand side will be a into 1 plus -1 square. It is 1. B into -1 plus c. 1 of 1 minus -1. It will be 2. Then we will get 2 is equal to 2a minus b plus c into 2. Then it is 2a minus 2b plus 2c. And we know that the values of a and c. A value is 1 and c value is also 1. By putting these values, a and c values 1 and 1, then we will get b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. So b is also 1 here. A value is 1, b value is 1 and c values is 1. Then we will get 2 upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x square is 1 upon x 1 minus x plus b into 1 plus 1 into x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square. Now equation is, now this one 2 upon 1 minus x into 1 plus x square dx को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon 1 minus x plus 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. So we will take integration of these. 1 upon 1 minus x integration is log of 1 minus x and x coefficient is -1, so we will divide by -1 plus x plus 1 upon x square plus 1. 1 plus x square को हम लिख सकते हैं x square plus 1. Numerator is in quadratic form, numerator is in linear form and denominator is in quadratic form. So we can make numerator as derivative of denominator plus constant. So we can use another method here. This is log minus of log of 1 minus x and I am taking, this is I1. I am taking I1 and we will make the integration separate. Clear? So x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 इंटीग्रेशन को हम I1 ले लेंगे. Then x plus 1 को हम क्या करेंगे, a into derivative of denominator plus constant. We can write this as a into denominator derivative of denominator plus constant. ऊपर वाले को न्यूमिरेटर को हम नीचे वाले के डेरिवेटिव की फॉर्म में लाएंगे. So it will be x plus 1 is equal to a into 2x plus b. We have done this type of question in 7.4 exercise. So we can do this. X plus 1 is equal to 2ax plus b. So compare these, comparing the coefficient. X coefficient is 2a here. Here is x coefficient is 1. So 2a is equal to 1. Then a is equal to 1 by 2. And b is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 by 2. B is equal to 1. Now putting the values of a and b in this. So x plus 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 by 2 into 2x plus 1. Clear? 1 upon 2 into 2x plus 1 and denominator is x square plus 1. So divide separately. It is t. अगर हम इसको t लेते हैं, this will be dt. So 1 upon 2 outside. It is t. This is dt. 2x dx is dt. So dt upon t. And 1 upon 1 plus x square integration is tangent inverse x plus c. It is log t. T value is x square plus 1. So answer is half of log x square plus 1 plus tangent inverse x plus c. This is the value of I1 and now put value of I1 in this. Minus of log x 1 minus x plus I1 value is this. Half of log x square plus 1 plus tangent inverse x plus c. So this is answer. Now we can do some another types. Look at question number 16. 1 upon x into x raised power n plus 1 dx. Suppose this type of question is given. Here x into x raised to power n plus 1. Then we will multiply by x raised to power n minus 1 and divide by x raised to power n minus 1. जितनी भी यहाँ पर पावर होगी उतनी एक पावर कम से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और डिवाइड करेंगे. Suppose question is 1 upon x into x raised to power 4 plus 1. X raised to power 4 here. Then we will multiply by x cube and divide by x cube. Clear? Same in this. We will multiply by x raised to power n minus 1 and divide by x raised to power n minus 1. So it is x raised to power n minus 1. X raised to power n minus 1 multiply by this power will be added. Its power is 1. So it will be x raised to power n. It's x raised to power n. So this is x raised to power n, x raised to power n plus 1. Then we will put x raised to power n plus 1 as t और x raised to power n t. किसी को भी आप t ले सकते हैं, सिर्फ x raised to power n को t ले लें या फिर x raised to power n plus 1 को t ले लें. So x raised to power n plus 1 as t. Then what is the derivative of this? N into x raised to power n minus 1. One derivative is 0. dx is equal to dt. So x raised to power n minus 1 into dx को हम लिख सकते हैं dt upon n. dt upon n. Is it clear? So by putting in this, it is t. It is t. X raised to power n plus 1 क्या आ गया आपके पास t. This is dt upon n. X raised to power n minus 1 as dt upon n. Clear? It is, look at this, x raised to power n minus 1 as dt upon n. This is dt upon n. This is t. Now what is x raised to power n? x raised to power n को हम यहाँ से फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. x raised to power n को हम लिख सकते हैं t minus 1. t minus 1. So this is t minus 1 and this is t and this dt upon n. Now we can make parts of this by using partial fraction. We know about partial fraction. This is of first type. One factor is t minus 1, other factor is t. So we can write as a upon t plus b upon t minus 1. Take LCM, t into t minus 1. So a into t minus 1 plus bt. Then take numerator equal, because denominator is same, then numerator is same. 1 is equal to a into t minus 1 plus bt. Then firstly we will take t is 1. Clear? By making it 0. Then a value, b value will be 1. Now we can put t is equal to 0, because t here, t is 0, then we will get a. Then t is equal to 0 on both sides, then we will get a is equal to minus 1. Then a is minus 1 and b 1. Put in this equation, first equation. Then we will get 1 upon t into t minus 1 as 1 upon minus 1 upon t plus 1 upon t minus 1. Take integration on both sides. It is 1 upon n. 1 upon t into t minus 1 को हम लिख सकते हैं 1 upon n minus 1 by t plus 1 upon t minus 1. Take integration, minus common. 1 upon t integration is log t. 1 upon t minus 1 integration is log of t minus 1 plus c. It is 1 upon n minus log of t value is x raised to power n plus 1. Here also t value is x raised to power n plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So it is x raised to power n plus c. So log m minus log n. It is log m minus log n. We can write log m upon n plus c. So answer is 1 upon n log of x raised to power n upon x raised to power n plus 1 plus c. Now look at question number 17. Cos x upon 1 minus sin x into 2 minus sin x. If I am taking x is equal to sin x is equal to t, then it is derivative of this. Then sin x is t, then cos x dx will be dt. So it is dt, it is 1 minus t and it is 2 minus t. This is same as first type question. We can make factors of these. 1 upon we can make parts of this. 1 upon t, 1 minus t into 2 minus t को हम लिख सकते हैं a upon 1 minus t plus b upon 2 minus t. Take LCM on right hand side. By making numerator same, we will get a is equal to a and b values. B is minus 1 and a value is 1. Then we will put in first equation and then integration of this. After integration, it is 1 upon 1 minus t minus 1 upon 2 minus t dt. After integration, 1 upon t into 1 minus t integration is log of 1 minus t upon minus 1, because t coefficient is minus 1 here. Minus of its integration is log of 2 minus t and t coefficient minus 1 also. So we will get minus 1 in denominator plus c. Minus of log 1 minus t minus into minus plus, it is log of 2 minus t plus c. It is log m log n. Log m minus log n. We can write log m upon n. Log m upon n. Then we will put the value of sin x. in numerator and denominator. So it is 2 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x plus c. 2 minus sin x upon 1 minus sin x plus c. Now clear. Come to question number 18. In I is equal to integration is, we want to find out integration of this x square plus 1 into x square plus 2 upon x square plus 3 into x square plus 4. How we will find integration of this? Look at this. If we will multiply these, power is 4, degree is 4. If multiply these, then degree is 4. Numerator degree is 4, denominator degree is 4. So firstly we will divide. अगर ऊपर नीचे डिग्री सेम है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? डिवाइड करेंगे. देन वी विल गेट 1 माइनस न्यूमिनेटर क्वोशिएंट इज 1 प्लस रिमाइंडर अपॉन डिवाइजर. वी कैन राइट एज 1 माइनस रिमाइंडर, 1 प्लस रिमाइंडर इज माइनस ऑफ 4x square minus 10. So we will take minus here, minus common, 4x square plus 10 upon this. And we know that one integration is x, then we will find integration of this. We can take this as I1 and we can find the integration of this by using partial fraction method. So one integration is x, 4x square plus 10 upon x square plus 3 into x square plus 4 को हमने I1 ले लिया. So we are taking integration by using partial fraction. Firstly we will do factors of these separately and parts of these separately, and then we will find integration. So 4x square plus 10 upon x square plus 3 into x square plus 4. For this type थोड़ी देर के लिए हम इसको, थोड़ी देर के लिए विदाउट इंटीग्रेशन हम इसको क्या ले लेते हैं? y. x square को क्या ले लेते हैं? y. For making it easy, y plus 4y plus 10 upon y plus 3y plus 4. Clear? ऊपर भी x square है, नीचे भी x square है, तो हम इसको क्या ले सकते हैं? y. 4y plus 10, y plus 3, y plus 4. Again, this is as first type. We can write this as a upon y plus 3 plus b upon y plus 4. Take LCM. After solving, we will get a is minus 2 and b is 6. a की वैल्यू minus 2 आ जाएगी, b की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? 6. Then we will put in equation number this. a की वैल्यू 2 minus 2 and b is 6. Then we will find integration of this. Minus 2 upon y plus 3 plus 6 upon y plus 4. Integration of this will be minus 2 x square plus 3 को हम लिख सकते हैं, इसको लिख सकते हैं root 3 square. So this is the formula. 1 upon x square plus a square square root 1 upon a into tangent inverse x upon a plus 6 into same here 4 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 square. 4 is 2 square, so it is x square plus a square. 1 upon x square plus a square integration is 1 upon a tangent inverse x upon a plus c. So we will apply same formula in these, because this is x square plus a square, this is also x square plus a square in denominator. So we can use this formula. So answer is minus 2 by root 3 tangent inverse x upon root 3 plus 3 into tangent inverse x upon 2 plus c. Then we will put these values in equation number this. Equation number first. So it is, then putting in this, I is equal to x minus I1 की वैल्यू इसमें पुट कर देंगे. Then we will get answer x plus 2 by root 3 tangent inverse x upon root 3 minus 3 into x tangent inverse x by 2 plus c. Clear? So this is answer. So in this way we can do questions of by using partial fraction.